Today I want to talk about my family. There are 6 people in my family: my father, my mother, my grandparents, my brother, and me. My father is a teacher and he works hard, and my mother is a housewife. She takes care of our home. My grandparents are also important for me because they tell me stories and give me advices. We eat meals together and help each other. I feel lucky and proud having loving and supportive family. Thank you.
My mother's name is Suchitra Chakravarti. She is a biology teacher. She takes care of me and my family. She works very hard. She is like God for me.
In April, just 2 weeks before the examination, Swaminathan,
He was becoming fussy and difficult. He seemed all of the
April, just 2 weeks before the examinations, Swaminathan realized that his father was changing for the worse. He was becoming fussy and difficult.
At school every day, everybody seemed to be overwhelmed by the thought of the examination. It was weeks since anybody had seen a smile on someone's face.
in April, just 2 weeks before the examination, Swaminathan realized that his father was changing for the worse.
April, just 2 weeks before the examination, Swaminathan realized that his father was changing.
That the other would not stop and waited in there is.
Today we learn about extinction of rhino. Rhino are large herbivorous animal characterized by thick skin, short leg, and one or two horn on the snout. The rhino are extinct because in the illegal international market the black rhino's horn is very expensive sold.
What is the moral of this topic?
We should save rhino because they are endangered and they are extinct from the world.
Good.
My topic is how white tigers extinct from the world. White tigers are the very big species of cat. They are less than 300 in India. White tigers are unique for their appearance. Human activities such as hunting, poaching, and logging, they extend from the world. Humans are selfish too because they hunting white tigers for their own kind. They do illegal trade of their fur, bones, and other body parts. Thank you.
Which type of tiger?
Wild tiger.
White tiger. What? How human activities extinction of white tiger?
Humans are selfish to kill her
Kill for trading.
Today I am tell us about Amur leopard. Scientists estimate that billions of species in life began in Earth around 3.5 billion years. Chapter A Gift of Chappal. Pillar Rugu Midi open the door. The thought come to a cotton king and the would never feel even these three things were what is the right times of being something.
The squirrel. He wore a question mark of fertile, an overcoat of grey.
The king thought for seed messages, thought his kingdom prepare a large sum of money to anyone who would answer the three questions.
Ram from class 8B, standing in front of you to present my views in a form of a story. And my topic is the importance of sports in our life. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a child. He did not like sports, but his friends always said him to come and play sports. His friends, but he did not play. His parents always and said, but he did not like sports play.
Today I am here to present my topic, importance of democracy. Democracy is a type of government which is elected by the people. It is for the people, through the people and by the people. It has two main types, direct and indirect. In direct democracy, people choose their representative directly who will rule. And in indirect democracy, people choose the representative who will rule. And then the democracy was firstly started in Greek in 5th century BC. It has the word democracy is derived from two words, demo and cracy. Demo means people and cracy means power. Democracy has too much importance because in monarchy and dictatorship, people can't choose their representative and can't be a part of decision making process. But in democracy, people are free to choose their representative and can be a part of democracy.
Today I am going to speak some lines on the topic, the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking means looking at the good side of things and staying hopeful even when the life is hard. It helps us stay calm, happy and strong during tough time. When we think positively, we become more confident and try harder instead of giving up. For example, if we fail a test, a positive thinker will learn from it and do better next time. By staying hopeful, we can make our life better every day. Hariom.
आज हम आप लोगों के सामने एक नाटिका प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिस नाटिका में हम अष्टवक्र मुनि के बारे में कुछ जानकारी प्राप्त करिए। आओ देखते हैं। अष्टवक्र मुनि पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे जब वो माँ के गर्भ में थे, 8 महीने की, तभी उनके पिताजी कुछ अपने मित्र के साथ प्रश्न उठा रहे थे। उनके पिताजी का नाम था कौरव ऋषि। उनके प्रश्न में उनके पुत्र ने कुछ उत्तर दे दिया। उस उत्तर सुन के उनके पिताजी कौरव ऋषि क्रोधित होकर अपने पुत्र को ही श्राप दे देते हैं। आओ पता करते हैं एक पिता अपने पुत्र को कैसे श्राप देते हैं।
मित्र, यज्ञ में काले वस्त्र क्यों नहीं पहने जाते?
मेरे ख्याल से शायद वो अपवित्र होते हो।
नहीं पिताजी, यह सत्य नहीं है। यज्ञ में काले वस्त्र इसीलिए नहीं पहनते क्योंकि इन वस्त्रों में कुलक्ष्मी का वास होता है।
हे उद्दंड बालक, तू अभी 9 महीने का भी नहीं हुआ है और आया बड़ा अपने पिताश्री को ज्ञान देने।
नहीं पिताश्री, मैंने तो केवल सत्य ही कहा है।
मैं तुझे श्राप देता हूँ कि तू 8 अंगों से टेढ़े होगा। अष्टावक्र मुनि पधार रहे हैं। हे कृष्ण, आपसे भेंट करने के लिए अष्टावक्र मुनि पधारे हैं।
हे राधे, तू मेरे को देखकर अपमानित की है। मैं तुम्हें श्राप देता हूँ कि हे मुनिवर प्रणाम, आप मेरा कथन तो सुनिए। मैं तुम्हें वरदान देता हूँ कि तुम जीवन भर किशोरी रहोगे। अब मेरा विषय है मेरे प्रिय आदर्श, मेरे गुरु। गुरु जो है वो हमें सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं और वही एकमात्र विकल्प है जो आपके प्रश्नों का उत्तर सही सही दे सके। और गुरु ही शिव है, गुरु ही विष्णु है, गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है और इसलिए गुरु को भगवान से भी ऊंचा स्थान दिया गया है। हरिओम।
अब मेरा विषय है मेरा प्रिय खेल। मेरा प्रिय खेल क्रिकेट है। क्रिकेट में कुल मिलाकर 22 खिलाड़ी होते हैं, यानी एक टीम में 11 खिलाड़ी। क्रिकेट बैट और बॉल से खेला जाता है। अगर बैट्समैन की तरफ और बॉलर की तरफ 3 स्टंप लगे रहते हैं जिन पर 2 गिल्लियाँ होती है और अगर बॉल स्टंप पर लगता है तो फिर बैट्समैन आउट है ऐसा मानते हैं। अगर बैट्समैन ने मारी हुई बॉल सीधा बाउंड्री के बाहर जाती है तो फिर उसने 6 रन बनाए हैं ऐसा मानते हैं। और अगर उसने मारी हुई बॉल बाउंड्री के अंदर टप्पी खाकर बाउंड्री के बाहर जाती है तो फिर उसने 4 रन बनाए हैं ऐसा मानते हैं।
मेरे प्यारे चाचा जी मेरे लिए गुरु समान हैं। मेरे चाचा जी मेरे को जीवन के हर लक्ष्य कदम पे आत्मविश्वास देते हैं और मेरे चाचा जी मुझे मेरे अपने बेटे जैसा प्यार देते हैं।
ॐ स्वाहा ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ स्वाहा भुवः भुः ॐ स्वाहा जुम्
मातृभूमि के प्रति श्रद्धा। रास बिहारी घोष का नाम कौन नहीं जानता। भारतीय स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के अनन्य रूप से जुड़े रास बिहारी घोष उन दिनों जापान में निर्वासित जीवन बिता रहे थे। जापान में दक्षिण पश्चिम की ओर मुंह करके सोना अच्छा नहीं माना जाता है, किंतु रास बिहारी घोष जितने दिन भी जापान में रहे सदा दक्षिण पश्चिम दिशा में मुंह करके सोते रहे। जब उनके जापानी मित्रों ने उनसे इसका कारण पूछा तो उन्होंने उत्तर दिया, भाई तुम्हारे देश के दक्षिण पश्चिम की दिशा में ही तो मेरी मातृभूमि भारतवर्ष है।
बातचीत समाप्त कर जब वह उठकर जाने लगा तो बोला, महात्मा जी मेरे योग्य कोई सेवा हो तो बताइए। उसने सोचा था कि शायद गांधी जी उससे हरिजन पत्रिका में कोई लेख लिखने का आग्रह करेंगे। बाबू नम्रता पूर्वक बोले, आप सचमुच सेवा के भाव रखते हैं तो कुछ काम बताऊं। हाँ, आप बिना किसी संकोच के आज्ञा दीजिए।
नील नदी के युद्ध के दौरान ब्रिटिश सेना के सेनाध्यक्ष नेल्सन थे।
लुब्धस्य नश्यति यशः शुनस्य मैत्री नष्टप्रियस्य कुलमर्थपरस्य धर्मः विद्याफलं व्यसनिना कृपणस्य सौख्यं राज्यं प्रमथसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य।
मम नाम कान्हा अस्ति।
हरि ओम। मम नाम दिव्यांकर अस्ति। आवां संवादः कुर्वः।
दिव्यांकर,
कान्हा तव प्रियपुस्तकं किम् अस्ति?
मम प्रियपुस्तकं तु रामायणम् अस्ति।
रामायणं कः अरचयत्?
महर्षि वाल्मीकि रामायणम् अरचयत्।
अस्मिन् पुस्तके कस्य वर्णनम् अस्ति?
रामायणे श्रीरामस्य वर्णनम् अस्ति।
श्रीरामः कस्य पुत्रः आसीत्?
सः राज्ञा दशरथस्य पुत्रः आसीत्।
हरि ओम।
हरि ओम।
मम नाम गोविन्दः अस्ति।
मम नाम आनन्दः अस्ति।
आवां अद्य संवादं कुर्मः।
गोविन्द, त्वं किं लिखसि?
लेखं
लेखं? परं कस्मिन् विषये?
पर्यावरणस्य विषये।
किमर्थं?
सव मम विद्यालये भाषणस्य प्रतियोगिता भवति अस्ति।
लेखनविषये तु अति उत्तमः।
आम्, अद्य औद्योगिकविकासेन तु वर्धते एव।
आम्।
औद्योगिकविकासेन जागरूकता भवति।
एतत् तु सत्यम्।
अतः पर्यावरणस्य विषये जागरूकता अनिवार्यः। हरि ओम्।
हरि ओम्, मम नाम कान्हा अस्ति।
हरि ओम्, मम नाम दिव्यांकर अस्ति। आवाम् एक संवादं प्रस्तुतं करोमि।
दिव्यांकर,
कान्हा, तव प्रियपुस्तकं किम् अस्ति?
मम प्रियपुस्तकं तु रामायणम् अस्ति।
रामायणं कः अरचयत्?
महर्षि वाल्मीकि रामायणम् अरचयत्।
अस्मिन् पुस्तके कस्य वर्णनम् अस्ति?
रामायणे श्रीरामस्य वर्णनम् अस्ति।
श्रीरामः कस्य पुत्रः आसीत्?
सः राज्ञा दशरथपुत्रः आसीत्। हरि ओम्।
We take a number 32 and add with digit of number 3 plus 2, 5. My answer is 5. 5 subtracts from original number 32 minus 5 is 27. 27 again add sum of digit number is my answer will get 9. Hari Om.
Which practical you are doing right now?
I am doing selection of seed.
Do.
Hari Om. My name is Shashank Shukla. I study in class 8th A, Sant Sri Asaramji Gurukul. Firstly, I take one beaker. Then I take seeds. So many seeds are still on bottom, and seeds float on water are unhealthy seeds. They seeds not used to sowing. Then they seeds still on bottom used to sowing.
Say something about sprinkler.
Sprinkler are used to fast quickly transfer water to plant.
अच्छा, and drip irrigation method. Yeah.
In this system, the waterfall drop to drop directly nearby root is so is called drip irrigation. It is boon of a region where availability is the water of poor.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to show an experiment called effect of manure and fertilizer.
Material we want to do this experiment: 3 disposal glass, urea, manure and water. After
The first in beaker in disposer A we add manure. In disposer B we add urea. In disposer C we does not add anything.
After 10 to 5 days.
After 10 and 5 days, we will see all plants have grown. In A, we will add our fertilizers, and B, we will add urea, and C, we will add nothing. First, we will see A, which is our fertilizers, is more growth, and B, we will add urea, which is less than A growth, and C, we will add nothing. We are present topic is fermentation.
The aim of our activity is to show fermentation of sugar. First we take a 500 milliliter beaker, filled it with water. Dissolve 2 to 3 sugar in it. Add half spoon of dry yeast.
And we
4 to 5 hours. Now smell this sugar solution.
and we check the smell is alcohol.
This is smell like alcohol, as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This is process conversion of sugar into alcohol by yeast. It is also fermentation. Hari Om.
I will present the topic of autotroph mode of nutrition. The organisms which prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Example: plant and algae.
Algae as chlorophyll, it is perform photosynthesis.
I explain the important pillar of latitude. There are 5 important pillars of latitude.
The map is a flat drawing of the earth. Map provides detailed information of the places.
There are 3 types of maps: thematical map, physical maps, political maps.
Physical map. They show physical or natural features of place, such as mountains, rivers, plains, and oceans.
Thematical map. The thematical map shows the exact location, roads, and population.
We are the students of class 7. We represent the Mauryan Empire.
At 338 BC, the ruler of Magad was Dhananand.
Dhananand was a powerful ruler. He disliked by his many people. Dhananand takes unfair amount of taxes, and he did not pay his people. At the time, a great scholar named Chanakya, also known as Kautilya, working at Dhananand's court. Chanakya wanted to overthrow Dhananand and replace him with a new and better ruler.
One day, Chanakya saw a young boy named Chandragupta. He was impressed by his skills. Chanakya trained him in warfare and statics and defeated Dhananand. In 321 BC, Chandragupta became the ruler of Magad.
Chandragupta Maurya, he was the first to establish the Mauryan Empire.
Bhimara was most powerful ruler in Maurya Empire. He continues to be almost all part of the India. He was son of Chandragupta Maurya. He ruled 297 BCE to 273 BCE.
Ashoka was the most powerful ruler of the Maurya Empire. He was the son of Bindusar. He defeated many powerful kingdoms and established Maurya Empire. He ruled over 268 BCE to 232 BCE.
This was the Mauryan Empire. A dynasty is a family of rulers over a kingdom or an empire, one after another. The Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar and Ashoka, they are religions of Buddhism.
By following the Buddhism, there are 3 rulers named Ashoka, made Ashoka's Dharma, which was spread in other countries such as Syria, Egypt, Sri Lanka, and etc.
Today we learn about Mauryan Empire.
I am agree with this statement that Britishers come for trading but start ruling in the India.
But we disagree. How you can say that you are agree with this statement?
I am agree because the Indians take East India Company lightly.
But India is not weak.
But India knows Britishers for trade. Britishers came for trade, but they are not interested in political powers.
Britishers manipulated Indian rulers and took up the advantage of situations. India was not weak.
But India was not united and constantly war.
Britishers were not taking East India Company lightly.
But
Britishers in India, some rulers' family members was in the greed of the throne. So they wanted to rule. So they aligned with Britishers and betrayed the king.
But Indian rulers are fighting with each other. So Britishers will take advantage of this fighting.
Britishers was given and military strength. So they defeat us. They defeat India.
But Britishers made their own army in India by controlling the West Bengal area.
You are not right, because India was strong. For conclusion, I would like to say that India was not weak, India was strong. Unity was not there. Understand this.
But I am always agree with this statement that Britishers come from trading but ruling because the weakness of the India.
We always disagree with this statement.
We always Hari Om.
Hari Om.
We are in the agree of the statement that Britishers come for trading but it rule on India.
But we disagree this term.
Can you have a point to you disagree with this statement?
Yes.
Tell me.
India was strong, but Indian ruler used old technique and old weapons, but Britishers used new technique and new weapons.
Hari Om.
Today I am presenting you how colonial government maintained records. First, they made record rooms for maintaining the official documents. Second, they made survey of India. The first survey of India is in Dehradun. Third, the British made the foundation of Indian history, and the historians continue that the foundation of the building is stand by the infrastructure of the building is stand by the base. My topic is presentation. If the British have ruled our India, India become developed. My answer is no, because India have not own technology. British come to India, India will not develop, because there are so many reasons. British give him. India have neither railway network, India have neither administration record, India have neither canal system, India have neither international school in India, India have neither industrialization.
Okay, Bhavya, how do you insert a chart?
First, we have inserted type SI number, fruit, price, customer, and inside the data.
Okay, very good. Your task is completed? Yes. Very good.
So today's your subject enrichment activity task is
To take a mark sheet of students, then we calculate the total numbers of students.
which application you use for making the mark sheet?
LibreOffice.
Calc.
Yes.
Okay. So how you add the total number of student?
To use the auto calculation method. First we take the mark sheet
Select the
of
number.
students.
Select the number.
Then we select the numbers 99, 99, 99. Then we go to the auto calculation.
Auto sum.
Auto sum.
Click on.
Auto sum. Then we click on sum. Then our answer is 990.
Ansh, how do you insert a chart?
First, I select the data and insert.
Okay. Repeat. Could you please tell me the steps? How do you insert a chart?
Please sir, इधर
First click on.
start
Okay.
and bar and finish. और सर
Cancel कर तो गड़बड़ हो गई.
Bhavishya, what is your today's activity?
I am going to make a marksheet of students.
So, in which application?
The calc.
Calc. So, how you add the total number of the student?
The equal sum set.
Equal
Sum to B5 to E5.
Okay, cell reference. Okay.